Alright guys, another day, another dollar. A dollar gonna make you holler. Guess what? We're back with the trading content. The trading industry has been terrible as of recently. Prop firms, random people now trying to teach people how to trade, random people, forex, crypto, scams, everything going on is just crazy right now with the trading industry, and that's why I'm back, because you guys need someone to guide you along the path of what is right, what you need to know, what you need to understand, and how to understand it properly. What we're going to be talking about today, and if you're new, who am I? My name is Dayton Renama, and I have 6 years of, coming up on 6 years, of day trading options in the stock market. So, what I'm going to be explaining to you guys today and helping you understand is market structures and just the simple psychology of trading. Too many people are feeding you guys the wrong information. So everything that you get from this video is going to be pretty much simplified in maximized form in order for you to understand this at the level that you need to, not unnecessary BS. So let's get right into it. So, I already recorded this video, to be honest, but the screen didn't record. So that's why you already see this right here. What we're looking at is Tesla. Now, what we're looking at on Tesla is basically these key levels. Right now we're on the 4 hour. What I want to show you guys right here is this consolidation zone. So what I was talking about is this current consolidation zone that we had around the 5th month of this year. We were in between a range of around 200 high and around a 160 low, we'd say. And in this consolidation phase, you're still able to take positions, you're still able to take scalps, you're still able to take trades, you're still able to make good money. But comparative to something like this right here, this is much, much different to trade than something like this. And within this time frame, there is, in my opinion, much more opportunity to make a lot more money, to make much bigger days, have bigger days. Now, that doesn't mean that these days aren't going to be able to be profitable. Like, yes, you can be profitable and have tons of good days and build a good base off of this. But these are what we're looking for. We're looking for these, not even days, but due to the time frame we're on, we're looking for these quote-unquote cycles where the market is pushing in a direction and we're able to understand that. We're able to analyze that. We're able to look at that and make our predictions based off of that information that we're given. Now, what I want you guys to understand is the basis of trading isn't, okay, I woke up today, I looked at the market, I see that the market is heading in an upwards direction, downward direction, so maybe it would look good to short here. Trading is studying. What we're studying is past information, past consolidation zones, how we can use that information to combine that information from the past with the information given today. And the information given today is stuff like time and sales, level 2, bid size, ask size, volume, basically price action. That's the today. That's when the market opens at 6:30 and boom, candlestick shooting up, candlestick shooting down. Where is the market going? What can I take away from what's happening right now? How can I learn from this? What do I see happening today? And how can I combine that with what I know from now, from the past, if that makes sense? So what I mean by that is past information is looking at these consolidation zones and what happened in them based off of key or psychological levels. Key or psychological levels. I want you guys to remember this. For example, right here, this 200 around that key level right here on Tesla. Now, if we pay attention right here to this 210 key level, and this is going to be applicable for now, is at this 210 key level right here, we held it. Okay, we held it in this kind of zone or range right here. And what happened when we broke below it is the market dumped extremely hard on Tesla all the way down to 180, which is a 30-point drop that we've seen on Tesla just because we broke through this zone. So this tells us right now that this is a key level in which we are likely to see a lot more increased volatility. Now, not necessarily every single time that the market reaches that key level of 210 on Tesla, but like I just said, we use past information, which that is past information, to combine with present or today's information in order to be able to understand what the market is going to do next. Now, as you can see, we're now currently coming back up upon that 210 key level on Tesla, and what we can take away from that is, I can tell you guys from personal experience right here, the market is either going to reject this 210 key level, and we're just going to be consolidating for another long period of time, similar to how we've seen the market consolidate right here, or we're just going to enter this next consolidation phase right here and take a lot of different positions similar to what we're seeing right here. Tesla right now is in a consolidation phase. There's no clear zone like how there would be in this scenario where we see this extreme downtrend. That's not going to happen with Tesla, like in the near future, in my opinion, just because there's too many consolidation phases or ranges right here. Now, as we can see, another time that this happened is from this key level of 180 to breaking through that 200 all the way up to the high of 271. Now, I guarantee most of you guys didn't even notice this until now that I'm about to point it out. And what it is what could we see? The past is going to repeat itself, but if we use the present information, we can use it to our advantage in order to increase profitability and confirm our bias on the markets. Would you look at this? Key level right here, clear range, clear movement, not range, sorry, clear movement from the markets. Let me remove this. What did we see right here? Same exact range, I keep saying range, same exact movement from the markets, same way we've seen this downside, same way we've seen this upside. And what's very funny is the exact key level that we are talking about, or an exact key level around this 180 key level, right here is when it began. Right here is when it ended. So what can that tell you? These key psychological levels, or what I like to call as statement levels, always implement into the market in a way. And I guarantee you that this 210 key level is going to play a major role on Tesla in the market. I want you guys to use this key stuff that I'm giving you to basically plan out your trades. It's not about the different patterns that you're looking at, the triangular patterns, all this different stuff. That's not what's going to make you successful as a trader. What's going to make you successful as a trader or match my trading style is the only trading style that I can speak of, because that's what I'm experienced in, is scalping, day trading. I only trade the first 30 minutes to 1 hour of the market because we want to be where the money flows. Where the money flows is where you're going to be able to make money. When there's the most volatility, that's when you're going to be able to make the most amount of money. Where money is, that's where you want to be. There's always the most amount of movement within the first 30 minutes to 1 hour of market open, and there's a reason for that. If you want to be able to day trade, if you want to be able to trade options, you have to be able to master the first 30 minutes to 1 hour of the market. The best advice that I could give you is every single day for years and years. You have to watch the markets, whether you're trading with small size, whether you're trading with big size, whether you're not trading at all. Because even when I'm not taking positions, still to this day, even though I can wake up and just trade with no plan or setup at all, I still watch the markets even when I don't need to. So you guys have to understand, you're going to build the skill of trading through watching the charts, not by building the setups, not by trying to build the triangular bullshit. That's all bullshit. You need to learn the now and the past. That's it. The now and the past. The past is understanding past patterns and recognizing and being cognizant and aware of what happened in the past at these psychological key levels in the market. What happened in the marketplace at this level, like we explained at the 180 level on Tesla? Why did it have this large run up? Why did we see this extended period of time where the market pushed up? And why did we see an exact perfect move down to that same level at which the run up began beforehand? It's not coincidental. It is coincidental. It's not on accident that this stuff happens. And I want you guys to understand that and apply the past to the current. And I already explained the current. Time and sales, level 2, volume, price action, reading the charts, looking at the charts every single day, and combine it with the past. And that's where you're going to build the most skill throughout trading. That's how you're going to have the edge. That's how I built my edge, is time in the markets. That's literally it. Looking at the charts every single day. Now, today's video is just a simple breakdown, stepping our feet back into the trading industry, stepping our feet back into the trading content, because I know that you guys need trading content from someone who knows what they're talking about and who has been in the industry for long enough to give you guys the right information. I hope you guys got some value from this video. Hopefully you guys apply this into your trading. And if you have any questions about trading or anything in general that you would like to ask me, feel free to leave a comment below or DM me on Instagram. I'm not going to promote my Discord or tell you guys about my Discord because I don't need to. If you're in it, you're in it, and you're gaining enough knowledge as it is. But more updates coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay up.